Dear students, the next question, NEET 2014 from Mechanical Properties of Fluids chapter. Listen the question. A certain number of spherical drop of a liquid of radius R collects to form a single drop of radius R and volume V. If T is the surface tension of the liquid, then energy asking. Okay, so just remember that you know very well. Say for example, let us take one large big drop. Its radius is R. Now we have to split up into there's so many drops. So its radius is each and every droplet's radius is smaller. So like that, what is that? N times. Okay. So you can say that. So n times of small droplets are there. Okay. So here actually, just to compare this area, then the total amount of droplets area. Listen, actually, if you add that all the area of the small droplets, actually it is high value. So this area is high. Okay, then the big droplets area is less. Okay, so here actually what happened? So here area is increasing, surface area is increasing, but we know the surface tension means it tries to minimize the area. So here work is done opposite to the surface energy, surface tension. So in this case we have to apply the energy to the system. So this is like absorption process. Okay, but in this question they said small droplets combine together to form big droplets. Okay, so now small droplets, okay, like n times small type of droplets. So its radius is R. It is combined together to form very big droplets. So its radius is R. Now we know very well already this area is high. Total area is high. But these big droplets, the area is less comparing with the small droplets combined together area. Okay. So here actually what happened? Here area is reduced. Okay. So here work done by the surface tension. Okay. So work done by the surface tension. So here we can say that release some energy. But previous case absorbs energy. Here release some energy. So that is the idea. Okay. Right. So now we know that energy formula that is equal to that surface tension then into then change in area. Please remember that. So I can write that work done is equal to surface tension into the change in area. So change in area. So first the combined together small droplets area, the next very high area. I mean that is a big droplets area. So I can write here n times of, okay, n times of, what is that, area of each droplets, that is 4 pi r square, then minus here 4 pi r square. It is a big droplets. Okay, but one is constant, that is which is that the volume of all the small droplets is equal to volume of the big droplets. Okay, so please remember that. So then now I can write, therefore work done is equal to then T into, okay, so now multiply and divide by the both side. So I can write as, so I can, because I need the volume term, because volume should be equal, you know. So I can write here 3T then N 4 by 3 pi then R cube. So multiply and divide by R. Okay, then minus again 4 by 3 pi into capital R cube divided by R. Multiple and divide by 4 again. Okay. So now I can write. Okay. So let's take the common value. So what done is equal to 3t then n into 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is volume. Okay. So in this case listen, 4 by 3 pi r cube of n times of small droplets volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is that large, that is a single droplet's volume. Okay. So we can say that this is equal to volume. Okay. So in the both case volume should be constant. So I can write 4 by 3 pi r cube into n, that is equal to V. So V by R minus again 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is also V, divide by capital R. Okay. So now I can write, therefore what done, we can say that V value is common. So 3 Vt then 1 by small r minus 1 by capital R. So please observe the students. So here actually that surface area is minimized. So here work is done by the surface tension. So in this case energy is released. So energy is released option here one is there. Then we can see that energy value, that is 3 Vt then into 1 by r into 1 by r minus 1 by r, 1 by small r minus 1 by capital R. So here that option C is satisfied. Okay, thank you.